Hello people, General here. Today we are going to change my assistant's family's shower valve cartridge, which severely leaks. This valve was made by Delta. First, let's remove the handle by using a 1/8 inch Allen wrench to loosen the set screw, making it possible to pull the handle off. Once the handle has been removed, yoink the protective sleeve off. Make sure you do not damage the O-ring. Next, the cartridge retaining ring must be removed in order to take the cartridge out. I watched several videos of people using channel locks and lubricant to unscrew the retaining ring. I personally was unsuccessful while using channel locks to remove the retaining ring. General's tip: once I switched over to the 18-inch pipe wrench, the retaining ring came off with relative ease. We had to wiggle, pry, and pull, but eventually, after reattaching the handle, we were able to remove the old cartridge in 2 pieces. After cleaning up the valve body and putting a little lube on the new cartridge, my assistant installed the new cartridge by lining up the triangle-shaped guides on the cartridge with the triangle-shaped grooves in the valve body. He was also mindful that the H's were on the same side. Once everything was lined up, the retaining ring was screwed back on, making sure not to over-tighten it. This particular cartridge is slightly different than the old one due to the anti-scald adjuster. On this one, you pull out the adjuster and turn to allow more or less hot water in the mix. Finishing this procedure is just a matter of slipping the beauty ring back on and installing and tightening the handle. Don't forget to turn your water supply back on, check for leaks, like, and subscribe.